Mota, hereby am thankful to the Help Library and ask grace from my late husband, Zaveer Mota, to be able to make me give the best during this lecture of rheumatoid arthritis part 1. I ask all the viewers to pray for a minute and to maintain silence for a few seconds. I hereby start the lecture now. First, there is the allopathic part that is always there for rheumatoid arthritis. English is okay or you all want Hindi? English is okay. First there is etiology, causation, sign and symptoms. I will not go into that because all that is in generally you can read it from the Wikipedia or from the computers. Mostly rheumatoid arthritis even occurs in younger age and even at higher age. It is somewhat connected psychologically also, one, and number two, in that if you will do some blood test, there will be some changes in the blood test also. Number three, when it comes to psychological backgrounds, what I say is what I had said before. The thoughts produce chemicals and the chemicals affect the joints of the body. The thoughts produce the chemicals affect the joints of the body, and that is why there is stiffness, pain, swelling. Stiffness, pain, swelling are the general symptoms. But how psychologically when a human being is disturbed, rheumatoid arthritis may occur. There are many causes of rheumatoid arthritis which I am not going into just now. But one, what is under your control are thoughts. Do you have the power to change your thoughts or not? You don't have complete control over your thoughts.
Complete control, but partly.
It is so simple. If you feel you are sad, you close your eyes and imagine you are walking in fresh air. Are you feeling good or not? Whatever happens to you, close your eyes and visualize something and attach the name of God to it. Immediately you will feel good. But because what happens, the vibrations at that moment don't reach the target organ. It is only a game of energy reaching the target organs and creating problems. Now first, fingers can be affected, neck can be affected, knee can be affected, ankle can be affected, shoulders, elbows, everything can be affected. So number one is thought change. Number two is visualization. Number three is sleeping in Shavasana like this, which I have told many a times. With two arms and legs separate. Sit separate, madam, with your legs separate. Thank you. Carrying to all the parts of the body. This is number three. Now number four. What you can do automatically for this, for your fingers. कपड़े को धो लेते हैं ना, बाद में ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं और निचोड़ते हैं ना कपड़े, और आटा मलते हैं. If you do this, the stiffness in the fingers will not come. Usually the physiotherapist use rubber balls for the same thing.
Yeah, right.
But this can be replaced by आटा गूंजने का and what else did I say? कपड़ा निचोड़ने का. Okay, so if you do this, you will get your fingers practice. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Now, when you are supposed to do for your elbows and shoulders, what exercise you can do that in normal routine your work also will be done, and also you can in normal routine your work will be done, and also you will not be spending extra time for your exercise, because you will say we cannot spend so much time for the exercise. So if you take a jhadu and start taking out the jhada from the sides and corners of the house with right hand and left hand, don't you think you will get a shoulder exercise?
Yes.
Do you agree with me?
Yes.
It's true, you will say this is not my job, but if you do that, you will get a shoulder exercise by which the circulation will improve. Okay? When you are making lassi, do you get it or not?
Yeah.
When you are making chapati, हो गया हैंड का एक्सरसाइज कि और कुछ बाकी है?
Yes.
कपड़े की घड़ी मारते हो तो फिंगर्स का इसका एक्सरसाइज हो गया. इसीलिए दिस टॉपिक आई हैव टेकन इन टू divisions, so that common things you already know but you have not paid attention to it, to apply it in the normal course. Now, very important for cases of rheumatoid arthritis is cycling if they can do. Number 2, swimming if they can do. Cycling and swimming will help a lot.
Right.
I would add to it the 7 pranayams which Ramdev Baba says will also help, because by that the oxygen will reach to all the parts of the body. Okay. Then number 5, sitting out in the open air. Sitting out in the open air. Number 6, taking a football and kicking the football. Kicking the football in an open ground. What do you feel? Will you get exercise or not?
Yes.
But how many people do you think can do it? Can we do it? Kicking with a football. So naturally our with natural movement you will be doing it with love. So definitely there will be enthusiasm in the play also, what you are doing. If you are going to play football in a group and you are doing that, naturally there will be enthusiasm and you will be able to play football. Okay? Then this I have already told you, that when you are having tea, do you remember this exercise or no?
Yeah.
Long time back it has been told. This you can do. Then especially for the lower back, this is one of the exercises which we have already showed before, but because in RA any of the joints can be affected, even the back can be affected. So for the back, what I would suggest is to keep your 2 hands at the back this way. And then Bend forward. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Then this is for the back. Then this. Okay, this will be for all the joints, the hip joint and the knee joint. This will not cost you anything at all.
Yeah.
Then, especially if you are having a knee joint, please do. Okay.
थोड़ा ये
Okay. This you have to catch and let this go up and down. This way is not time consuming. When you are reading paper, you can do it. नहीं हो रहा है बराबर. बराबर करिए, नहीं हो रहा है बराबर आपका. Can someone come and revise the exercises what we have done? So then I'll go ahead with more exercises. Otherwise you all will forget. Come. Whatever you know, you remember. Even at the island, help you all.
Well, this is a sitting one which we did for the spine.
First exercise, Shavasana.
Okay, yeah. Lift the hands up.
Yeah. Then
Just lie
second,
down on the ground, right?
Yeah.
For more blood circulation in the whole
yeah.
body.
Then second,
And that twisting you said, right? And washing and twisting.
yeah. Then,
Roti.
then
Right?
Atta.
Then jhadu exercises for the
Mm.
arms.
Then
Right? Then,
get up and do it.
yeah.
Squat marching.
Over there.
While talking or whatever, reading paper exercises. Whatever.
What else for the knees?
Then football. You said
Yeah.
kicking.
So show.
Kicking.
So get up and show.
Yeah. Football, kicking, and then
Then
Two chairs.
Two chairs.
very good. Even I didn't remember. Show.
it's the leg movement to and fro.
Yeah.
Then what else?
Hand.
Then this one.
Hand. Back.
Yeah. Then
back.
it's for the spine, put hand behind.
And then you bend down.
It's it.
And you come up. And then you bend down and come up.
This 50 have to be done.
Five.
I think I must have shown about 10 to 12 exercises
Yeah.
in a span of 20 minutes. but all exercises done for 4-5 minutes will make some difference. Bending forward. Why I am saying first we divided it into two topics. First is in general what आप घर पे कर सकते हो. Second is with the machine what we have made. In that everything is covered up. Even the dori that is we are using, we have shown it many times. In that also lot of things are covered up. Even weight gain is covered up. Okay, so this 12 set you all remembered. Then one important, as far as psychology is concerned, take a paper in the night, take a paper, take a pen, write down whatever you want to write down and throw the paper. How do you feel? The mind will be empty.
Because of
No.
negative things.
Nothing will go inside. But make it a routine habit, compulsory. And it will be very easy to change yourself also.
But anything or only the negative things? Or?
No, whatever you
Okay.
feel you write.
Okay.
Whatever you feel you write.
Okay, just stare it and like.
Just tear it and throw it away. Because that will help you to make your mind completely empty.
Positive.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
And another thing is that आपको पॉजिटिव विल होना चाहिए कि मेरे को इसमें से निकलना है. जब आपका पॉजिटिव विल रहेगा कि मेरे को कैसे भी इसमें से निकलना है तो आप निकल सकोगे.
Yes.
याद है आपको लास्ट टाइम जब हमारे हस्बैंड थे तब एक पेशेंट आई थी, वो बोली थी कि मेरे को मेरे हस्बैंड गाड़ी में लाते थे और फिर वो बोली कि मैं स्कूटर पे आती हूँ अभी.
Right.
वो कैसे पॉसिबल होता है? बिकॉज उसका विलिंगनेस था अच्छा होने के लिए.
Yes.
तो इंसान का विलिंगनेस अच्छा होने के लिए आपको कहीं भी लेके जाएगा, पर आप में वो विलिंगनेस होना चाहिए कि मेरे को अच्छा होना है. आया समझ में आपको?
Yes.
वो विलिंगनेस जब आपके पास होगा तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी अंदर की शक्तियां आपको राइट आदमी के साथ पहुंचा देगी हीलिंग करने के लिए. Did you get it or not?
Yes.
Okay, now something more. Come this side. Take one chair. Take one chair. You also sit. Take a chair, extra chair. Take an extra chair. Do with me. Do with me. See, this way we can do.
Acha, हाँ. Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
With this you are getting movement with the knees, with the thighs, with the hips, with the...
Full leg exercise.
Yeah. Not like this, ma'am. Moving this like this, in and out, like this, in and out. Okay?
We get a full stretch.
Yeah. Now, what you can do is, you will get a stretch in the back also. Very good. You are getting a stretch?
Yeah. Good for back also.
Yeah. Okay? See. Okay? Now, suppose on the knee joint you have got pain on the inside. You have to keep the leg like this and move it like this on the opposite side. Okay? And suppose you have got pain on the inner side. move it like this.
Okay.
On the inner side, move it outside, and on the outer side, move it inside. Okay? Did you get this? Can we do like this? What feeling are you getting?
This muscles.
Full hand workout.
Some energy is right.
एनर्जी को एब्स्ट्रैक्ट में मत जाओ.
The entire from all
Yeah, full workout.
all the muscles.
पूरा दिख रहा है.
ऐसे करके खुला करके करेंगे. मिला?
हाँ ये तो.
Now the question is that with what water to take bath? This I have discussed before. Do you remember or not? With cold water or hot water? If you want AC, take hot water, and if you want,
Heat.
if you are feeling hot, take cold water. Vice versa. Number 2, can massage be done? Yes, massage can be done. How should the massage be done? Sit here, madam. Sit here. Sit here. Sit at the back. Sit here. Sit. How should the massage be done? Can it be seen, ma'am? Sir?
Yeah.
From the spinal cord, 2 fingers away. And you have to rub like this.
Also, outside.
Outside you have to rub.
Up to down.
Horizontally.
Okay.
Okay? Horizontally. Any oil is fine. Oil doesn't do the job. When you are doing like this, blood circulation is happening. Please move in the front, ma'am. Give me your hand.
अच्छा, okay.
Give. Only use the fingers जैसे गाय से दूध निकालते हैं ऐसे. Give. Come ahead. Now over here, what you can do, ma'am, do it with me. Okay? जांघ के अंदर जहाँ चड्डी जाती है, वहाँ साइड से ऐसे कर सकते हैं. अपने आप ही कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
Then over here, see, on the thighs. How I am doing? 1 thumb here, 4 fingers separate, like this. Okay? फिर ऐसे. Okay?
Yes.
Did you get it? फिर यहाँ फेस पे. फिर आंख के ऊपर ऐसे धीरे से. Below the eyes, slowly. Right?
Dark circle be removed.
हाँ. Then ear. जैसे कृष्ण कन्हैया की मूर्ति होगी या कोई भगवान की मूर्ति होगी ना, ऐसे धीरे से, हल्के से, प्रेम से, धीरज से करें. आया समझ में? ऐसे कोई घाई नहीं है, किसी को दिखाना नहीं है, किसी से सर्टिफिकेट लेना नहीं है, किसी से पैसा लेना नहीं है, अपना ही अपनी मावजत अपने को करनी है. फिर यहाँ ऐसे. ये देखो कैसा हाथ है, ऐसा ऐसा, और ये फ्लैट. मैडम फ्लैट है ये ऐसा. मेरा हाथ फ्लैट है, आपका फ्लैट नहीं है.
Straight.
From your
from here. आया समझ में? Now क्या फीलिंग आई है आपको बताइए? बोलिए क्या फीलिंग आई?
Very light and fresh.
आपको क्या फीलिंग आई? आपको सर?
गरम महसूस हुआ है.
और आपको सर? आपको? आराम. आपको?
सर्कुलेशन इज इंक्रीज ऐसा लगता
गरम महसूस हुआ है. सर्कुलेशन.
है.
माइंड में क्या लगा?
हल्का.
कुछ यहाँ एंटर हुए थे और अभी की स्थिति में कुछ फर्क है क्या?
थोड़ा ज्यादा फ्रेश.
हेडेक थोड़ा कम है.
हेडेक थोड़ा कम है, पर हेड में एक ही क्यों है? अंडरस्टूड? अच्छा, ये सब पता चल गया, ये भी पता चल गया. बालों में कैसे करोगे? आ जाओ. करूँ बाल खराब? कोम है?
या
Yeah. हाँ,
You get
इसलिए
acidity.
एक तार का ये मिलता है.
Your hair falls quite a lot. You want AC?
Let me.
Your Mangal is high. Your Mangal is high. Her Mangal is high.
अच्छा.
She's an acidic, not an acidic patient. You have cracks in the feet. But she's got Mangal, she's got heat in the body, and she has got scanty hair. Now, if you put any type of oils, it will not help you. But take alkali food. What type of alkali food? All green leafy vegetables. And don't eat spicy, oily things. Finished. So if you will do that, hair will grow. And massage your hair with badam oil. Okay? So this is the formula for you. I want you all to ask me questions, then again I will go back.
Can we go this Tali?
Yes.
Yeah, that is good.
Talis you can do.
How about stiffness in the downside? The side you said this turning the opposite, right? But Pashchima Dasana to karo ena mate release, right? The muscles. Because I have some pain sometimes, you know.
What you do, if you have pain, take a belan. Belan फिर भी ना को, બધું pain निकली जैसे. बड़ी समझ. From hips to knees and from knees to down. It may sound a little vivid, but it is very
Effective.
giving relief. These are gargattu upchar without money. You would like to pay someone 1,000 bucks, then get better.
Psychological.
Any questions anyone wants to ask, then I would like to go ahead.
They are also shown that cross your legs and then
What?
Cross the legs and hips.
knee, raise your knee.
Yeah, this
ऐसे
movement.
ना.
This movement.
Hitting on the
ऐसा ना.
no,
कभी शुरू दिखाया था.
wrong back.
अब वो भी मसाज जैसे ही, मसाज जैसे ही.
हमारा क्या होता है?
सर्कुलेशन
हमारे मन में जो आता है वो बोल देते हैं. हम प्रिपेयर करते नहीं है लेक्चर. जो आया वो बोल दिया. बैठ के लिखते नहीं है.
It is for improving
Please understand
circulation.
one thing. There are two things that are happening in the body. One is the disease power, one is the immunity power and आपकी इच्छा शक्ति. इम्यूनिटी पावर अगर आपकी बढ़ जाएगी, इच्छा शक्ति बढ़ जाएगी, डिजीज पावर चला जाएगा. अब आपको किससे जीतना है वो आपके ऊपर है. अगर आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी एक्सरसाइज की बढ़ जाएगी तो डिजीज पावर ऑटोमेटिकली कम हो जाएगा. अच्छा, ये सब एक्सपीरियंस की बात है, ये सब बोलने की बात नहीं है. सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस की बात है, बोलने की बात कुछ भी नहीं है. सब कुछ टोटल एक्सपीरियंस की बात है. 100% एक्सपीरियंस. और मैंने आपको पहले बता दिया, क्या बताया? साइकिलिंग, स्विमिंग. अगर साइकिलिंग एंड स्विमिंग जाएंगे
Visualization.
तो आपको कहाँ से आर्गुमेंट और आर्थराइटिस होगा? अच्छा, और होगा तो भी उसका प्रमाण बढ़ेगा नहीं. आप बोलते हैं ना भगवान का नाम लेते हैं तो कुछ नहीं होता है. भगवान का नाम लेते हैं तो तकलीफ नहीं आती है, सब कुछ अच्छा होता है, ऐसा नहीं है. जो होने वाली बात होती है वो होके रहती है. आप समझे? तो अगर आप ये सब एक्सरसाइजेस करते हो the intensity of the problem will reduce,
Reduce, yes.
and prevention will happen for the same problem.
બરાબર.
So you are reducing the intensity and preventing the diseases to come. So it is important to do constantly, to do continuously, and to do rigorously. Constantly, say with me,
Constantly.
continuously and rigorously. As you eat your food, as you go to shit, do all this continuously, constantly and rigorously. And even do God's name continuously, consistently and rigorously. Then only it will help you, otherwise my lecture is of zero value.
Right.
You have seen a movie and gone back home. Have you come to see a movie or come to implement something in your life?
Implement.
Whereby you implement and change your life.
Yes.
And when you change of life, there will only be bliss in your life. Nothing else can enter. We have still 15-20 minutes to go ahead.
Right.
Can I show something new or you
Yes,
all have
yes.
questions?
No, show something new.
Any questions?
Why not to sit like this? Okay.
Why not to sit like this? Because energy gets crossed.
Sorry, please do that.
If you sit like this, it's better. Even if you fold your hands and sit, energy gets crossed. There is principles of energy are working, no? That is why, no other reason. Now in cases of RA, many a times even acid gets jamaified into the body. So it is very important that you don't eat acidic food. RA cases, you make use of ghee. Then you don't eat athe wali food like dokla, idli, dosa.
Fermented.
But out of rava, if you make and immediately you take, it's okay. Take non-veg, but take non-veg how? Take non-veg not tala hua, but take non-veg
Boiled.
steamed. Take non-veg that is steamed. So that will help you in the food. Now, how should the food intake be for RA cases? All types of food can be taken. One time roti, one time chapati. Sorry, one time roti, one time chawal, juwar ka roti, nachni ka roti. Very important for all joint problems patient, especially for RA patients. In the morning at 7 when the sun is rising, sit under the sun for 5 to 10 minutes. What happens? The sun rays have the power to remove all the negativity from the body, and the sun rays have the power to give you all types of vitamins and minerals. There is no need to eat anything. So this you must,
Can you use the sun power in the evening also?
no, only in the morning. Sun rays have got a beautiful effect.
So morning is best.
Morning is best when the sun is rising, whatever the time of sunrise is there. Did you get it? Now
Yeah.
all sorts of food, diet. What nasta you all take in the morning?
Eggs, tea, bread.
Oh wow.
Egg, bread, pawa. What else?
Upma.
Upma. What else?
Idli.
Idli
Dosa.
fresh will do, dosa fresh will do, with
Dokla.
rava.
Yeah,
Dokla, that is fresh will do.
Chapati bhaji.
Everything fresh made will do, sure, 100%. That is over. Evening nashta, what do you all take?
Evening just cup of tea.
Evening you all can take any type of fruit. Apple, chiku, banana, pomegranate, mango. It all depends on you what you want to take. Did you get it? So fruit one is a must. You must see that you evacuate yourself properly, you get proper stools and proper urine flow. And your mind is balanced every time. This is very important to note. Because in RA cases, if it is not treated, they give malaria tablets as far as my knowledge goes. To
So,
The paracetamol can be good.
they give malaria tablets or tablets for fever to reduce the inflammation and the chronicity of RA. They have no cure. So when you are doing these exercises and everything, prevention will be there for it to not to spread further. That is one. And second, relief will take place. Definitely relief will take place.
The conditions will deteriorate. at least.
The conditions will not deteriorate. You will prevent the deterioration if you are doing this.
Right.
Then in the night, what will you have? Either chawal, either biryani, either khichdi.
Actually, in the
Yeah,
Anyone.
all sorts of things can be had. I think we have covered up diet.
We should avoid oxalate food, no? Palak and all.
Oxalate food, that is for serum uric acid.
Achha, not for
Rheumatoid,
rheumatic.
no.
RA.
Fresh anything.
All
Fermented
everything
food.
fermented not to take and sour not to take. More of sour food not to take. Now what is very important in cases of RA, they even go for neck problems. Stiffness of neck, ankylosing spondylitis they get due to what?
Inflammation.
Due to the chronicity or not taking care regularly. So it is a continuous diseases which will remain with you for a longer time, but when these exercises are done regularly, then definitely there will be a change. Did you get it? Now will everyone say one exercise so that I revise, I understand that you have known the exercises and then I will speak something
This
fast.
leg वाला, दोनों बाजू.
हाँ, टू, हाँ, फिर आप, ये तो बोल दिया, दूसरा कुछ बोलो. हाँ,
शवासन.
फिर आप, हाँ, फिर आप,
Spot mark.
हाँ, फिर आप, वो तो बोल
हो
दिया
गया,
ना,
हो गया.
कुछ और नया बोलो.
Hand.
हैंड का बोलो ना. hand का.
football, swimming.
Needle.
आप बोलो.
Back massage, what you showed me. And
Okay.
This one,
There's
this one,
This
then
also can be done.
this one.
This one.
देखो मैं आपको एक चीज बताती हूँ. आप लोग है ना 100 प्रोग्राम देखते हो सबका और भेजे में झमेला और कंफ्यूजन होता है. तो मुझे आपको ऐसा कुछ देना है कि जो रूटीन में आपको अच्छा लगे और आप कर सकते हो.
Simple.
कोई प्रोग्राम से कॉपी किया हुआ प्रोग्राम नहीं देना है
Yes.
और आपका इन्वॉल्वमेंट हो, इसीलिए मैं आपको बोलती हूँ कि आप बोलो.
सही बात.
आप बताओ मैं आपने क्या सीखा अब तक. आप समझे? Now, as far as the one very important thing, close your eyes and say, I ask forgiveness
I ask
forgiveness
from
from
the parts of my body
the parts of my body.
as I have not respected you
as
I have not respected you
and cared for you.
and
and
care
cared for you.
If
If
the part of my suffering is over
the
part of my suffering is over
for
for
whatever problem you have, you say in your mind, for so and so, please give me relief immediately.
Please give me.
please give me relief.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now what happens when you all ask forgiveness from the parts of the body? You are, how did you feel after this?
Fresh,
Relaxed.
fresh.
See, you have to ask forgiveness from the parts of the body and also forgiveness from outside people, whoever you think आपका जमता नहीं है बराबर, क्योंकि उधर से कुछ आता है और कहीं ना कहीं ब्लॉकेजेस आ जाते हैं बॉडी में. अगर ये फॉरगिवनेस प्रेयर आप रोज करते हो तो डेफिनेटली आपके ब्लॉकेजेस ओपन हो जाएंगे. आप में एक नया जूम आ जाएगा, नया जूम आके आप काम कर सकोगे. आप समझे?
Yes.
तो ये फॉरगिवनेस प्रेयर आपको ऑर्गन्स के साथ करना है रोज जब सोएंगे तब, और जो भगवान का नाम आता है वो लेना है. कितना सिंपल है. फॉरगिवनेस आपको कोई डॉक्टर नहीं बोलेगा. फॉरगिवनेस फ्रॉम द ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द बॉडी, क्योंकि हमने इसको ट्रीटमेंट अच्छा नहीं दिया है. हाउ डिड यू फील? व्हाट डिड यू फील?
Relief.
फॉरगिवनेस. हाँ,
I had headache.
नाउ
Come back.
एकदम गया कि है?
50% है.
5-10% है, खाली फॉरगिवनेस बोला तो चला गया। तो फॉरगिवनेस में बहुत पावर है। आपको अपने आप से फॉरगिवनेस ही लेना है और दूसरों को भी माफ करना है और अपनों को भी माफ करना है। उससे बहुत रिजॉल्व हो जाएगा सब कुछ। अपने शरीर के अंदर हार्ट ब्लॉकेजेस हैं, जो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है सब रिजॉल्व होने लगेंगे। आई एम सॉरी प्लीज। कोई सामने वाला आपकी तकलीफ बोलता है तो भी बोलना आई एम सॉरी प्लीज। डिड यू गेट इट?
Yeah.
This forgiveness is very very important. And second, I am grateful to you for the services you have given to me. Say in your mind loudly. All the organs of the body, I am grateful to you for the services you have given me.
Services you are given me.
I love you very much. Thank you.
I love
I
you.
love you very much. Thank you.
God, we thank you very much for keeping us healthy.
God, we thank you very much for keeping us healthy.
How did you feel now? How did you feel, sir?
Happy.
कैसा लगा?
Relief.
ये इतना आप ये 3 सेंटेंस रोज बोलने हैं मौत आने तक, तो आपको अंदर से आनंद आएगा, खुशी मिलेगी, आपकी जो सिस्टम होगी. लेट अस नॉट गो इनटू हाई फाई लैंग्वेजेस लाइक एनर्जीज एंड ऑल, बट देयर विल डेफिनेटली बी अ बैलेंस हैपनिंग. And any pathology, suppose it's going to be developed, you will come to know of it immediately and you will start taking care of it. Did you get it? The first and the foremost thing is not to be afraid when any diseases touches you. We get panicky, no?
Yes.
We get afraid that how to do, when to do, how much time it will take, will I become normal or not? Only your positive approach, you know Sudha Chandran, have you heard of her?
Yes.
वो जयपुर फूड से नाचती है,
Correct.
तो उसका
Nobody
कितना,
can make out actually.
तो वो क्यों हो सकता है? क्योंकि उसमें वो विल पावर है, इसलिए. तो वो विल पावर उसको कहाँ तक लेके गया? काफी लोगों को कैंसर है और कैंसर अच्छा हो जाता है और वो अपनी नॉर्मल लाइफ जीते हैं.
And also, one person doesn't have the hand. It is table tennis, which is like with the table tennis racket in the and
Mouth.
Yeah, then yes.
हाँ, तो ऐसा सब पॉसिबल है. तो वो सब आपको माइंड के अंदर रख के अपना काम डेफिनेटली करना है. आपको जानना है ये सब और करना है. Then only you can. When can the disease power not overpower the body? Only when continuous and consistently you are going to.
Hemorrhage.
हाँ जी.
Hemorrhage.
No, not continuously hammer it. Do the exercises which are shown to you in RA. When the exercise power will become more, the disease power will become less. Exercise power has to increase. That means continuously, consistently, you and rigorously, then only the result will come. And for anything and everything, that is a rule. And that can only happen when you decide about it. Did you get it?
Yes.
Any more questions? Tell me.
You have explained very well.
Can you just repeat once again
What?
for the forgiveness?
Forgiveness prayer.
Forgiveness prayer.
I ask forgiveness from all the organs of the body. I ask, say with me, I ask forgiveness from
All the parts of my body.
as I should be, I take care of you whenever you have problem immediately. I should take care of you when you are not well immediately. I should take care of you immediately. You are the prasadi of God to me. God, we love you very much.
God, we love you very much.
You please be present in our each and every cell of the body.
Please present in each and every cell of our body.
Activate our system with your love.
Activate our system with your love.
God, please help us. Be with us.
Be with us. Help us.
Be with us.
Did you get it? So when you, there is आपका वो भाव ही जरूरी है।
भाव जरूरी।
जो भाव में कोई भी वर्डिंग्स आप यूज करो, लर्न करने की जरूरत नहीं है। वो भावना अंदर पहुंच के पैथोलॉजी बॉडी की चेंज कर देगा। ओके, कैन वी एंड हियर विथ योर काइंड परमिशन?
Yes, yes, yes. Thank
In
you
the
very
second
much.
part, what we will be doing, we will be जो मशीन हम लोग ने बनाया है,
हाँ.
उसमें हर एक ऑर्गन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हर एक शोल्डर, एल्बो,
Okay.
फिंगर्स, नीज, एंकल, वो सबको कैसे मशीन पे रख के यूज कर सकते हैं और उससे कैसे फर्क होगा वो बताएंगे। एंड दैट रोप एक्सरसाइजेस व्हिच वी हैव, दैट आल्सो वी विल शो, because we are getting fantastic results with the rope exercises. Today only someone SMS'd me that please send rope by courier to Chennai.
अच्छा,
तो रोप को मैंने कुरियर करने के लिए पैकिंग किया। आप समझे, रोप, स्ट्रेचेबल रोप सब जगह मिलता नहीं है, उनको भेजेंगे क्लिप पे तो भी ये होता है। I only want you all viewers to implement something in your life. Otherwise coming going is waste of time. I pray to your heart, please implement
yes.
and find a change in your life. Okay, I am thankful once again to Help Library, and we again pray and do 1 minute mourn for my husband's death. Wherever he is, he live in peace, and we release him for his further journey. Okay, thank you sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.